How to change email in OneXpert account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXpert app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to change the email of your account, you need to go to your settings. Tap on this menu option at the bottom right corner. Now select your profile icon at the top left corner. Once you're in your profile settings page, you can see this email option over here. You must have already verified your email address before. In the right hand side, you can see the change option. From here, you can change your email. Tap on it. If it gives you the alert option over here like this, you can only change your email address by contacting the support team. So tap on this customer support option. It'll give you various options to contact them. Select your preferred method. For now, select the chat option. Now, you'll be connected to the customer support agent of OneXpert. You can explain your issues over here. Explain that you want to change your email address. Then send your message. They will review your question and come up with the response. So you have to be patient until then. That's it. That's how you can easily change email in OneXpert app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.